guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rhea. I just wanted to come on today and just like sit down and talk. We haven't really sat down and been able to just like talk one-on-one, and there's been so much that's been going on with me. Pretty sure if you follow me on Instagram, you can see what's been going on with me. I've been doing so much PR lately, and it's so out of my comfort zone, but such a welcome new change. If it's something of quality, it's something that I've wanted to bring to my channel and just talk about and keep you guys hip to like all the good stuff, right? So that's what's been going on in my life lately, and it's been so good and so exciting. Today I wanted to unbox some of the PR that I've received with you guys, and also try a few new products that I received as well. I have some stuff that I haven't even unboxed yet and like touched and felt. Knowing the brand that I'm bringing to you guys, I already know it's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Before I get into like the cosmetics and stuff like that, I'm gonna start with something that I already wore on my Instagram. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere here of the post. But these dresses that I found, of all places, from Old Navy, I got them in not one but two colors. Last I checked, these t-shirt dresses were on sale like half price from what I paid, and they literally went on sale like a couple days after I bought them at like 20% off. So for them to have gone half, I was kind of salty. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to let you guys know about them because a few people were asking me on Instagram like, where'd you get the dress from? That's so cute. And if you don't know, when I was a teenager, I used to work at Old Navy. That was like my first retail job ever, was Old Navy, and I hated it. I hated it so much. Those dresses are so cute, so chic, so easy to add to my wardrobe. You know, I'm a neutral girly despite the red. I'm very much a neutral girly, and it just goes with everything. So I'm gonna leave the link to everything I'm showing you guys today in the description box. You can check it out, grab you a dress and like a couple other things because they're having like their summer blowout sale. Today is the 19th. It's Friday when I'm recording this, so this should still be on sale as we speak. I'm just so happy that this brand in particular decided to work with me and let me bring this to you guys. So this is jewelry from 𝐥𝐞𝐭'𝐬 Paris, which I also featured on my Instagram. I did a whole reel unboxing this, but 𝐥𝐿𝐴 Paris is a luxury jewelry brand that actually has pieces that everyday person can afford, and I mean gorgeous pieces. Their staple piece on their website are their charm bracelets. You can mix and match different charms and make the bracelets your own, or you could buy the bracelets as is on the website. This is just, I love the packaging. They sent me a really sweet card. They let me know that they were so happy to be collabing with me. I'm happy to collab with them too. The packaging on the inside is really nice. And then they let me choose two different items to bring to you guys, and I've been wearing one consistently. It came in this box. Look how gorgeous that is. Like, the color is so nice. The way that it comes packaged was perfect. So it would have been in here, but again, I've been wearing them like consistently for like the past 2 weeks since I got this. And I got the huggy hoop earrings from them. If you want a closer look at it, you can see it on my Instagram. They're the ones in the middle. Let me get a little closer so you guys can actually see it on my ear. It's these huggy hoops that are right in the middle. They have diamonds on them. I got it in yellow gold. So stunning. But that's not even like the showstopper. I'm gonna show you right now. So like I was talking about before, their charm bracelets are their staple pieces, and look at this one, guys. Look at this! How stunning is this? So right now, 𝐥𝐿𝐴 has a collection that's out right on time for the Paris Olympics. And this particular bracelet that I chose, because they have a whole Paris collection that's online right now. This particular one that I chose, for one, is in my favorite yellow gold. And for two, features all these landmarks from Paris. I hope you can see this. Hold on, let me get this to focus. All these landmarks from Paris. Look how stunning this is. Beautiful. And each and every piece has diamonds of some sort. Even the clasp, which I don't think I showed on my reel, has the Eiffel Tower on it in diamonds. That is so cute. And then the actual clasp itself, to keep everything together and to make it easier for you to latch it on, there's a chain that connects both sides. It works perfectly on my everyday stack. I absolutely love this. 𝐥𝐿𝐴 Jewelry, you guys did amazing with this collection. There were so many things to choose from. The Paris collection is up now, and I actually have a discount code that you guys can use, so I'll also put that down in the description box if you're interested. And you don't just have to use it on the collection collection. You could use it on anything on their website. So if you want to make your own charm bracelet, or you're interested in some new earrings or a nice necklace, because they also have necklaces on that site, I absolutely recommend them. And these things are not going to turn your ears green, guys. I would never ever, I would never bring that kind of jewelry onto my channel. We need stuff with longevity. We need beautiful jewelry that we're going to be able to keep for a very long time. So again, I'm going to leave that down in the description box for you guys, and you could get a good percentage off on whatever jewels you decide to choose. Thank you again to 𝐥𝐿𝐻 Jewelry for sponsoring my channel and giving my followers a discount on your products. I'm absolutely in love. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy with that. I have a lot to show you guys from my next sponsor and my newest partner, and I still can't even believe that I am a partner with them, but there's a lot that goes into that, and I'm gonna explain it now. So it was a series of boxes, but I actually narrowed it down to one box and put everything in there. I've recently been in contact and linked up with a social media creator community called Community X Scene. You've probably seen them on Instagram. There's been like ads about it, mainly targeted at other small creators. Help smaller creators get in contact and in touch with trusted brands and niche products that we probably have never even heard of, but we're able to touch, feel, review, and make content for you guys. This is what their packaging looks like, and I got so many boxes like this from them over the past couple of weeks, and it's been so exciting. But I was selected by Community X Scene and one of their many partners, which just happens to be Estée Lauder. Estée Lauder thought I would be a good fit for their products, and so I've been partnering up with Estée Lauder, and they sent me so many goodies. It's been so overwhelming, so exciting, just so wonderful. You guys have probably already seen me try some of these things on Instagram. If not, again, you could check it out. I've already tried, I believe, their Advanced Night Repair Serum, which I'm actually gonna put on again now because I want to do a makeup application quickly. I've been loving this stuff. I've been using it non-stop. It's part of my everyday routine now. I'm here with a fresh face because I wanted to demo these things and show you guys how they work. This serum feels so good. It just takes your skin to another level. It takes away all the dryness that I've been experiencing over the summer because my skin has just been so dry, so irritated. I'm seeing I'm getting a lot of heat rash and stuff from all this sun exposure. Here in New York, we've had like a terrible heat wave for the past 2 weeks, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff has brought my skin back to life. Look already, like just from applying it, my face just looks so much more hydrated than it was before. I'm gonna move on and actually try one that I haven't tried yet here on my vlog with you guys. This is also in the Advanced Night Repair family. I haven't tried this yet, and I actually want to try this before I apply my makeup because a lot of people said that it actually does really well under makeup. Ooh, look at that. So this is what it's looking like. Let's try it out. I'm gonna open the top. Packaging on all this stuff is just beautiful. Look at this. On this, I don't know if you can see, the logo is on there. So nice, so smooth. I'm just gonna dip my finger in. The first, oh, this is really thick. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much. So let's do this too. There's no scent to it, so somebody like me who has very sensitive skin, that's really nice. And no white cast that I'm seeing so far. It feels really, really nice. That went on so easy. My skin drank that up. Yeah. Yes, okay. Estée Lauder, you really did it again. These two products in the Advanced Night Repair family, I will be using consistently. They just sent me this one. I think I received it maybe like 3 days ago, and I'm now able to unbox it. I wanted to unbox it with you guys, but I've been using this now for like 2 weeks, and my skin has already improved. Okay, more from Estée Lauder because I'm just gonna keep going. I already talked about this the Double Wear foundation that they sent me. This is so lightweight. This feels like I had nothing on my face. It dried down so fast. I really like this stuff. I think for my trip that's coming up, I might just put this one into my travel bag. Yeah, I think this will be my go-to for my trip. So I'm gonna put that to the side. This Double Wear primer, obsessed with it. I've used it every single time that I've done my makeup. And since I'm gonna try out a new product now, I'm going to use it again. And it helps just keep the foundation in place because right now that it's so hot, again, I've been sweating drying and my face has been oily, and this just helps me keep back the oil. I have combination skin and I get the oil around my T-zone, and this has just helped keep all that oil at bay. Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer, also in my makeup bag these days. But I want to try with you guys. There's so much that they've given me. This one is another primer. This is the Futurist Peptide Power Serum Primer. They have some crazy names. Oh my god, look at the bottle. The bottle is golden. This is, ooh. This primer comes in a dropper bottle. I haven't tried this before. I want to feel the difference. Oh yeah. So this one is a lot thinner and easier to spread than the other one that I just used. It's not as thick. It's not like a cream. It's definitely more like a serum. And they made it that way because the foundation that goes with this is more like a BB cream or like a skin tint rather than a foundation. So to keep everything just light and airy and easy, this primer is more of a serum than a cream. My makeup routine has changed in the summer. Way too hot to do like full-on foundation. I've been doing just really concealer and blush, like liquid blush, and that's it. And I've been really wanting to try a lighter foundation or like a BB cream or just like a skin tint, and that's what this is. So this is also a serum. This is their skin tint serum, and it has SPF 20 in it. And not only that, but both the primer and the skin tint have skincare ingredients, guys. So it's actually improving your skin as you use it, and I think that's insane. They say you can apply this with your hands. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm gonna give it a try. Right in front of you guys. I'm just gonna do a little bit. And I always get scared when I first put on these things because it always looks like it's too light, but they always oxidize. So I'm just gonna pat it into the skin, and I could already see it oxidizing as I'm spreading it out. So glad. And this is actually really thin. I'm doing it right in front of you guys, like no cuts, no nothing. Like this is my first time using this. This is, oh, I love this. It just evened out my entire skin tone. Like even around my mouth where I have darker areas because of hyperpigmentation, around my chin where I have hyperpigmentation. I don't even feel like I need to go under with a concealer, but the only reason why I would use one under my eyes is just to make it even brighter. And it went on so easily. And I only used one pump of this. I didn't use any more than like a half a droplet of this. This is going in my vacation bag too. Very happy with this. Wow. This is a mirror that I've had for some years. The Sailor Moon, the Heart Crisis Compact. How cute. Just gonna finish off my makeup really quickly, and I just want to keep talking to you guys about all the stuff that's happening in my life at the moment. I'm just going in with this concealer from Too Faced Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade Maple, and I'm just gonna go under my eyes. Again, I'm just keeping everything really light because I haven't really been doing heavy makeup for some time. So I've actually been like really excited these days because actively planning out a summer vacation for me and my boyfriend. It's our first time traveling together, and it's just really exciting. One thing that I've always wanted in a relationship was like to be able to travel with the person that I love, and I'm just so excited that we get to do this together. And not only that, guys, but I don't know if you can believe it, our 1-year anniversary is already coming up. I'm just keeping everything moist with, ew, not moist. Hydrating everything again with this setting spray, just very lightly. It's my favorite setting spray. I love it. It just makes everything look so shiny and dewy and really cute, and I like the dewy look for the summertime. But anyways, yes, so we are approaching our 1-year anniversary already, and that's super exciting. So we're going to be on our trip and then just coming home like on the day of our anniversary. So we're gonna do something nice while we're on our trip. And then also my boyfriend's birthday is also during the trip. So there's just a lot going on and a lot to look forward to, and I'm really excited about all of it. And I've just been having like the best month, but it's also been super stressful. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid blush. I love this stuff. This is in the shade Berry Well. See that? Perfect. And I just like liquid blush on these kinds of looks because it just keeps everything looking so smooth and effortless. And this is just where it's at. Like, this is it. This is what I will do. And then I'll fluff out my eyebrows. I love the soap brow look, but I haven't found like a soap brow product. And I'm also kind of scared to do soap brows because my eyebrows are so thick. PTSD of when pomade brows used to be a thing and like having to wash that out. I just don't want to deal with it. I fluff up my brows. I get them into the position that I want them in pretty much. But yeah, guys, all of that is going on, and it's gonna be the first time that I meet a lot of my boyfriend's family on this trip because we are actually headed to his hometown. I'm so excited. It's my first time going to Norway. Like, I've been doing Duolingo consistently. I'm on like an 130-day streak right now. I'm just filling in the shape. I'm not filling it in all the way. This is a very, very thin liner. I don't know if you can see that. It's super thin, giving my brows a shape, and then I'm going to show you guys how I keep everything in place. I'm just blending that in. So it's giving already more structure to my brows. To hold everything in place and give my brows that soap brow look, I'm actually using this mascara. This is the brand, I believe it's 𝐿𝐿𝐿, and I love it. Like, I don't know why I haven't bought the full size yet. It has a comb on one side of the wand, and I'm able to just brush my brows upwards. And I've been doing this, and I've been loving it, and I've been getting that soap brow look that I love, and it doesn't take that much. That's all I've done. So this is how my brows look afterwards. You see that? It gives that fluffy brow look that everybody's doing. And this is literally how I do my everyday makeup. Sometimes I will go ahead and use some eyeshadow and like do my eyes to match my cheeks. Sometimes I use my Rare Beauty liquid blush, which is more of like an orangey color. Top it off with my CoverGirl blush powder, and it gives like a different look and a different glow to my skin. But usually day to day, if I'm running errands or if I'm just going out really quickly or if I just need to do quick makeup, this is what I do. I will use my concealer, I'll use my liquid blush, I'll use a little bit on my brows, and then I'm out the door. So I actually really, really love this Estee Lauder Skin Tint Serum. Like, this just made it so easy and it went on so beautifully. This is definitely gonna be like an everyday product for going forward in the summer, and I might just take it on my trip as well. I've been vacation planning. I have been getting tons of PR. I've been making content like crazy on Instagram and my TikTok. I don't talk about my TikTok a lot. I'll leave all the links to everything in the description box. I've been finding great deals. I've been working with brands that I really love, and I've just really been having a good time, and I actually feel like a content creator now. Like, just because I'm getting this PR doesn't mean that I'm just going to bring it to you. Like, there have been plenty of brands that have reached out to me asking me to do a collab with them, and I've straight up told them no, because either the brand did not align with my values on this channel, or they were insanely expensive and they weren't trying to give you guys any discounts, or it was just a brand and company that I've never used before, and I kind of don't just want to say that everything is great just because somebody's giving me something for free. Like, I know Estee Lauder has been a brand for years. My mom used to use Estee Lauder, and I used to love touching her products, and she never wanted me to touch her products. So for me to be able to like bring this in my adulthood to my channel and let you guys know about this stuff, like, this is a brand that I know I can trust and that I can bring to you guys. I don't mind doing that. But yeah, I just hope that you guys know that. Like, don't think just because I'm getting this stuff for free or that people are reaching out to me to send me this stuff that means I'm just gonna throw it out there and basically pitch an advertisement for no reason. Like, I would never do that. So yeah, that's just a quick update on my life. I gave you guys a little demo on this stuff. I hope it was interesting. And please, 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 I've been so active on Instagram. Please follow me there and we can talk some more, okay? Because I have a lot coming out and a lot of exciting updates, and this trip that's coming up that it's gonna just be so spectacular. You're gonna love my story. I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.